Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert pen drive in your laptop or PC. So guys, if you want to insert your pen drive in your laptop, so any company of laptop you are using, but method is the same, and it's friends, it's the very basic video. So guys, you will see this slot, can you see, and you will see this sign for USB. So in this USB slot you can also install pen drive. So you insert pen drive. Now some laptop will ask permission, so click on yes in case it's asked. Okay, and in some laptop if you have any antivirus, so it will scan your pen drive for virus and threat protection. And also Windows has inbuilt security system, so click on scan and fix, and it's recommended. And also it will ask for repair. Your drive was successfully scanned. You want to find out this file, so open File Explorer. So you will see all drive which you have, like local disk, C, F, D, and also you will see last one is the pen drive. Here you will find a name which you insert before. I mean your pen drive has any name, so you will see here, or only you will see some letter. So easy and simple way to insert pen drive. You will find this slot in laptop's right or left side, and in some laptop you will find this slot both side. As we can see, here is two slot to insert pen drive. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.